Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Monday and what a great stock market today. It was down 600 points in the pre-market and is up finally and then down. So very volatile market. So this video is about how Bitcoin went down close to $1,000, but whereas Bitcoin miners stocks like Marathon, Patent, and then Hut mining company based in Canada are up more than 25%. And the important news thing I want to cover today, part of this is there is another new company forming called BlockCap, which is taking over Bitcoin mining. Okay, let's get into the details. Before getting into the details, I just want to go through a disclaimer. This is not advice to buy any of these stocks and trade at your own risk, and consult your financial advisor before buying any stocks, and I am not your financial advisor. This is my just opinion, and this is just to let you know what I have been buying and why I have been buying. Okay, please click the like button and subscribe to my bottom of the channel and enable notifications so that you can get notified next time. So let's get into the details of the video. As you guys know, I am heavily invested into Bitcoin mining stocks for a few months now. So I have put a lot of videos on this, and this is like fifth or sixth video. So I started investing in Detroit when it was $2 and Mara when it was $1 stock. Recently, I have been buying Canadian miner stock known as Hut Mining as well. So this Hut Mining, almost like people are piling up on this mining stock. They saw what's going on, and then it was Mara one day. Roy reached peak $10, and then Mara was pumped up, and now it's Roy. It's Hut Mining. So this went from all the way dollar to $2.60 in a week, which is like 160%. So if you look at my videos from the day one, I have been telling Bitcoin will reach 20,000 and above, and Kathy Wood's prediction is like hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? So even though it doesn't reach $100,000, even 20,000 plus is like minting money for these mining stocks. Okay, so and I told you the advantage of investing in the mining stocks versus a Bitcoin, where I can leverage options in these stocks, whereas Bitcoin I don't have any options trading with Bitcoin directly. So please watch my videos if you want to know more details why I'm a big fan of these mining stocks. So what's next? So it's exactly happening what I thought. So new mining companies are popping up. Bitcoin mining is very profitable if Bitcoin trades above certain dollar. Okay, like $20,000 plus Bitcoin price is like minting money for these miners. Okay, so the reason why Bitcoin price going up like crazy is because lots of companies are buying, right? Not you and me buying one or two Bitcoins. So lots of companies are buying in hundreds of millions of dollars to replace gold and treasury, which they are not making any money. So when these companies and billionaires buy this much money, and then there are only limited supply of Bitcoins, so the demand goes up and then the price goes up. Okay, so with more mining, they can manage the supply and demand. Okay, end of the day, Bitcoin is like a commodity. It's like a gold. It's like a dollar, right? So in order to manage the supply and demand, so a lot of mining stocks went out of business before because it wasn't profitable at $8,000, $10,000 mining. Okay, but when it's $15,000, $20,000, they can mint money. So that's exactly what's happening. So here is latest news. So the blockchain veterans create a BlockCap massive Bitcoin mining operations in North America. Okay, so before getting to the news, let's look into the what's happening to the actual stock prices of Mara and Royd. Okay, so as I was telling in the video, so I created a separate playlist just around crypto and Bitcoin. You can see these videos when you get a chance, but you'll get a lot of idea why I have been investing into this. And this is not a new, I have been buying this for like weeks now. Okay, so this is my crypto portfolio in Yahoo. As you can see here, Mara went up by 23% and Hut went up by 32% today. And as you can see here, Mara again went up after hours 3%, 4% actually. Okay, so it's more than 25% both companies. Okay, so you might have seen I have not covered this company, Hut Mining. Okay, so let's take a minute and briefly cover that because I have been buying this only recently. Okay, so Hut Mining, Hut 8 Mining operates as a cryptocurrency mining company in Canada. The company engages in industrial scale Bitcoin mining operations. It also owns operates 38 block box AC data centers in Alberta. So basically, they are saying it's a big Bitcoin mining and they are mining Bitcoins like hell. Okay, so this is where it's based in, and you can look into the details. Click on the link and look into the details if you are interested. But as you can see here, very few. Bitcoin man doesn't take a lot of people, right? It's the infrastructure that takes. Okay, so with these three people, and if the company worth was like $20 million like few days back, and now it's at $250 million. Okay, so imagine the momentum around this, why people want to get into these mining stocks. Okay, this is what I have been telling you, preaching you for last 2 months, and a lot of people bought the stock. Congratulations who bought and made money, and that's where I want to go. So as I said again, Amara stock also went up 24%, another 4% afterwards. So it was also like $100 million company. Now it's like $800 million company. So it almost went up by 10x in 1 year. Okay, less than a year it went up by 10x. Okay, so if you look at 1 year chart, it was like 93 cents dollar stock around this time last year. Now it's still $11.50. So it's actually around 12x in a year. Okay, so this is the reason why I am behind these 10x stocks. They are risky, they are very volatile, they are very speculative, but once you get behind them, once you know how to, with options, how to handle them, how to manage the risk, you mint money. Okay, so it's not like 50%, 20%, we are talking about 1000%. Okay, so let's look into Hut little bit close. Okay, so if you look at it, Hut again is a 36 cents company, 50-week low, and now it's at $2.50. Okay, so it's like 250% in 5 days. Okay, this is not 1 year chart, this is in 5 days. So it was like a dollar stock, it's now $2.50 stock now. Okay, so there is not much held by institutions, but if you look at last couple of days, I'm pretty sure institutions are piling up, a lot of individuals are piling up to buy this thing. Okay, so that is what Hut is. Okay, so let's come back to the news I was talking about the new mining corporation that they are forming. Okay, so this is the recent news. As you can see here, December 21st, 2020, around 2 o'clock today, Eastern time. So blockchain veterans create BlockCap, a massive Bitcoin mining operation in North America. Okay, so this is the largest collection of hashing power in US soil. Okay, so imagine how many Bitcoins they can mint. And Las Vegas. Veterans of major crypto mining infrastructure firms, including one of the largest blockchain infrastructure company in the United States, today announced the formation of new mining entity, BlockCap, which is believed to be the largest independent cryptocurrency mining operator in North America. BlockCap combines the assets of 5 pre-existing Bitcoin mining companies. Okay, so you know what's happening, right? So they're forming the largest Bitcoin mining company. They will take it again public. It will be like a few $1 billion to start with. They mint they mint thousands of Bitcoins, and then that's how they manage the supply and demand. Okay, taking advantage of economies of scale in purchasing equipment and managing energy risk in order to ultimately provide higher returns for the investors. BlockCap operates what is among the largest collections of hashing power in North America. Okay, so that's what they're trying to get into. So this is probably like Tesla of EVs. Okay, including highly valued public companies. BlockCap's current mining fleet includes close to 13,000 next generation Bitmain S19 mining rigs and 500 upgraded S17, of which 8,442 are presently deployed, and rest of 1,400 are being deployed. What does it really mean? Okay, so if you don't know, Bitmain is like the company that makes the best mining machines. Okay, so there are other companies trading right now. Bitmain is private, so you can't really buy stock of Bitmain. So as more companies, mining companies comes up, Bitmain value goes up. Okay, so I'm pretty sure they'll be looking into an IPO as well. Okay, so basically this is, they have the best hashing rate and the lowest power consumption in mining operations. So they had those 13,000, and out of which 8,000 are already deployed, rest of them are being deployed. Okay, hashing power is approximately 800 peta-hashes with projection to reach to 1 exa-hash at full deployment. Okay, so these are like big numbers. Okay, so BlockCap, this company that they are talking about, mined around, all these 5 companies together mined around 425 bitcoins. Okay, 425 into 20,000, calculate, right, in this last quarter 3. Okay, so to give you the relationship how other companies are mining, publicly traded companies like a Riot Blockchain reported that it had mined 222 bitcoins around the same period. Okay, so as I was telling you, Riot is not a small, and they expanded like operations. They got another data centers, and they are bought more missions. So they are going to double probably next quarter this number of bitcoins. Okay, so BlockCap recent gross earnings also exceed that of their other competitors, including Hive Blockchain. This is one of the closest which is profitable, which is doesn't trade on NASDAQ, which you can only buy on exchanges like TD Ameritrade with $7 trading fee, and same with Hut 8 Mining. This also doesn't trade in Robinhood, so you have to buy it. Doesn't trade on main stock exchanges because these are called as penny stocks. Okay, and a Marathon Patent Group, which is trades on NASDAQ with symbol MARA. So during this period, BlockCap operated on a cash flow positive basis and projects further BTC revenue growth in quarter 4. So basically we are talking about a positive cash flow company mining around 400 to 500 bitcoins in a quarter, which can probably double their capacity pretty soon. Okay, so this is the biggest mining company that will be, you'll see in the news pretty soon anyway. So okay, so going back to my conclusion, why I took the video and what is the purpose of this. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is Bitcoin price going to be very volatile. I am not surprised it will go to below $20,000 also, right? So you might get more opportunities if you want to directly buy Bitcoin or Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. And these minor stocks are going to be super volatile and speculative. Okay, so you saw today, even though Bitcoin price went down by $1,000, these mining stocks went up crazy. Okay, 25-30%. So these mining stocks going up with a lot of momentum. So this is exactly what's happening on CNBC other day. Pete, who covers stock options, he told he's buying options into Marathon. Okay, so that actually took the Marathon price like 20% on Friday, 15% on Friday, another 20% today. Okay, so I have bought these around $1 and $2, and I sold them 50% of them in covered calls. So it's all house money right now. Even if they go to $0, I won't make a loss on them. But that said, I'm very long on them. I am not thinking Bitcoin is $25,000. It will go a lot more than that. Okay, so the only thing is on these companies, which are like $500 million, $200 million company, they will become a multi-billion-dollar companies in next couple of years. Okay, believe me, multi-billion-dollar companies in next couple of years. So now these mining companies need more mining hardware. Okay, so we heard about new mining company coming up, right? So they need to buy more machines. So you can expect more mining companies coming up, and they want more hardware. So who makes this hardware is the Bitmain, which is not public. Okay, so you can expect Bitmain going to public soon. Okay, but there are a couple of companies which are already public. Okay, so they are not as trending as these companies, mining companies. I will cover those into next video. Okay, so tune to this and keep eye watch on Bitcoin price and these mining stocks, and see what you think about these mining stocks. Okay, so hope you like the video. Please click the like button, and see you soon in my next video. Thank you.